In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create both a column chart and a bar chart in Excel with nothing but a formula. In front of me, I've got Apple sales data by segment broken down by iPhone, services, wearables, Mac, and iPad. So if I wanted to chart this, I'd go to Insert, select Chart. I've got that bar chart as a recommended one. And so this is what the bar chart would look like. Now with this, you may spend some time formatting it, changing the title, maybe changing some of the grid lines and that sort of thing. So this can take a little bit of time to set up. If you just want to create a quick visual, you can use the REPT formula. And so how this works is I select the text that I want to repeat, which is just a straight line. So on my keyboard, this is the character that's right above the enter key. So if I hit shift in that key, I get that straight line going up and down. The number of times I want to repeat it, this is going to be the sales number. But the problem is, because I don't want to repeat 71,000 times, I'm going to divide this by a factor of 1,000. And so that way it's going to effectively scale this. So now I hit enter, I've got that repeating line showing up. Pull this down. Now it starts to look like a bar chart. Now one way to make it look a bit better is if I change this font and use Britannic bold, and now it's got that solid looking color, and I can change this color if I wanted to, but just like that, I've got an easy way to show a bar chart without going through the whole insert chart process, setting that sort of thing up. Now I'm also going to show you how you can do this in a column chart, and this is going to be extremely similar. So I'm going to copy this and right click down here, and I'm going to select the option to transpose the data. So basically flipping it. And so I'm going to shrink this column a little bit here, but the formula I'm going to use is identical. So I'm going to select the text, that straight line, select the value divided by 1,000. It's going to look a bit funny here because it's going across versus vertically. To fix that, I'm going to hit Control 1 to go into Format Cells, and under the Alignment tab, I'm going to change the orientation so it's 90 degrees, so it's going up. Hit OK, and just like that, now this looks more like a column chart. Again, change the font to Britannic bold, copy this across, center this, and maybe just increase the font size just so it takes up more of the cell. So I can shrink this down just so it's a bit more scalable. And there you go. Now you've got a column chart as well as a bar chart that you can create just by using the REPT function.